There are three areas where customers often have concerns, and those are in the areas of operation, maintenance, and post-processing of parts. If the customer makes the decision to purchase a machine, we don't just drop it off in their loading dock and run away.
After it gets delivered, we help the customer get it turned on, up and running, and we will help them print parts. We give them recommendations on how to clean the equipment so that they're going to get good parts right away.
In addition to selling and installing the machines, we're also the company that will service the machines.
And if something did need service, the great thing about the model that we have is that the same guy that did your install is going to be the same guy you call.
We will provide the hardware maintenance that they need, we'll answer any usage questions that they have, and we'll show them how you operate the printer. We'll show them the maintenance that has to occur between print jobs. We'll also show them the post-processing technologies that we have available that we use.
Novastar has been in business for 22 years, and we have always focused on customer satisfaction. Our main goal is to make sure that a customer is happy with the product that they buy from us.
So when it comes to operation, maintenance, and post-processing, Novastar is here to guide our customers the whole way.
And when a customer purchases a system from us, it's really just the beginning of a meaningful business relationship with Novastar that we hope lasts a long time.